So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Uber and Lyft drivers protest over low wages and unsafe work conditions at the Los Angeles airport.
Oh.
This is in our neck of the woods. You want to read that?
Yeah, so dozens of Uber, Lyft, and delivery drivers railed at LAX on Thursday, May 4th.
Rallied.
Oh.
Railed. They railed it.
Yeah, so they rallied at LAX.
I don't know where your mind's at.
So they've been, it's because they were unfair.
Oh, wow. So, over unfair deactivations. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Keep going.
So they were armed with protest flags and they gathered in front of the airport before staging a car caravan through departure lanes.
Damn! Wait, so they like blocked the departure lanes at LAX? That sounds like a huge security risk.
That sounds illegal.
It sounds very, because airports are super strict with stuff like anything, like because of the security. It's a security, like people need to leave if they, like, I don't know. I would definitely not do that, especially at a freaking airport, and especially at a big airport like LAX.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, sure thing. If
so easy.
Yeah, literally. So yeah, you want to read this part?
Yeah, so gig workers in Chicago, Denver, New York, San Francisco, and Seattle also held similar rallies on Thursday, just 4 days ahead of Uber's annual shareholder meeting.
Guys, if you're watching the video, please click the thumbs up button.
Yeah.
Let's try to get to what, 1,000 likes?
Yeah.
1,000 likes and you'll jump in the pool?
Yeah.
On stream?
Yeah, I'll jump in the pool on stream.
All right, I guess I'll jump in the pool on stream too with all my clothes on.
Yeah, same. Sure, with clothes on.
So Arturo Rodriguez, who drives for Lyft and supplements his income by doing deliveries for DoorDash and Grubhub. Oh yeah, you want to read that part?
So he said, I worked this morning from 4:30 to 6:30 and made $40, but I drove for 60 miles. The 54-year-old Huntington Beach resident said, that doesn't account for all of my expenses like gas, vehicle insurance, and the wear and tear on my tires.
Not only on your tires, but also vehicle, like wear and tear on all the other parts of your car too.
Yeah.
Your engine, your motor, your timing belt, your idle pulleys, everything. Transmission. Yeah, 60 miles in 2 hours. Like, that's the reality. So if you drive 88 hours, what is that? 30 miles per hour average. So yeah, you're at about 2 to 3. And some people drive like 12 hours a day. Yeah, you're putting on like 200-300 miles a day on your car.
Wow, 200 or 300 miles a day?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Izzy, you need to get with it. I think it's time for you to go out and drive Uber full time for a couple months. See how it really is.
Well,
you have to do it at least 84 hours a week though.
If you buy me a car, sure.
Me?
My car is leased. Like I have a mile cap.
Fine, I guess I'll get you a Tesla.
Okay, thanks.
So anyways, yeah, this there's also a lot of dangerous things. Representatives with Uber and Lyft could not be reached for comment. Wow. So with all the protests going on, Uber and Lyft did not even respond to comment. What a joke.
Never respond.
What?
They never respond.
What a joke. Not paying for that time would be equivalent to a fast food or retail store saying they will only pay the cashier when a customer is at the counter. Oh, saying they don't pay for in between rides.
Yeah, I kind of agree. Like
That's a fair point.
That is a fair point.
Like, oh, you work at McDonald's. Oh, no one's in the store right now. You ain't getting any money.
Because it's like when you go into a job, you're getting paid for your time there. But when you have any job that's not like going to a physical place, you're just getting paid for the time you're actually doing the work.
Yeah, literally.